Thanks for tuning into Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have 4 Hot Wheels to unbox. Today, it's all the same casting. The Jaguar XE SV Project 8. I've got 4 different colors here. One from 2019, one from 2020, and these 2 from 2021. Got this one at a collectible store for $2. Got this one at my Family Dollar when they restocked an old case, and this one was from Shaw's, and this one was from a Dollar General. So all from different places I've acquired these, but I've acquired all of these this year. This is the first edition from 2019 in this Metelflake orange with the black 10 spokes. New for 2019, 244 of 250, and you can see the card work. Factory fresh, 7 of 10. And I'll read because it's the same casting. FYB 40, it's from the 2019 Q case. Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Born 2018, Warwickshire, England. Designers Jaguar with a 5-liter V8 engine that pumps out 592 horsepower. Project 8 is the most powerful street-legal car in Jaguar history. Each one is hand-assembled, and only a few hundred actual Project 8 machines will be produced worldwide. That's a lot less than the Hot Wheels that are going to be produced, that's for sure. Factory fresh is highly detailed, cutting-edge designs, just getting the driver's seat prepared to turn heads, and has that 2017 copyright. I will do a video on how to, how to tell apart the 2017 copyrights. Let's go with the 2020 one next. Describe the packaging. Nightburnerz, 6 of 10. This is a Metelflake gray in these blacked out Trap 5 wheels. 171 of 250, and you can see the background is blue. And that are purple, and that means it's 2020. It's from the P case this time, GHF 47. Nightburnerz are super speeders designed for night driving, and it doesn't say anything like this one does because this one is a recolor for a different year. And you got Hot Wheels Torque. These are both the same ones, just different colors. This one was the newest one. This was released earlier this year. Hot Wheels Torque 1 of 5 for each. This one's on a international card. This one's from a USA card, so I can only read from the black one. And this is international versus USA. USA, international. Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Hot Wheels Torque is powerful vehicles designed to start fast and finish strong. So that's number 1 of 5 for that series. I'm actually going to get started with this 2019 version, the first edition one in orange. Wasn't too fast of an open, but I got it clean, so that's all that matters. Loving the almost called it gray. It's Metelflake orange, and loving the blacked out 10-spoke wheels. Top there, you can see the different the design on the top there. That is so cool. Loving Metelflake orange. Love it, love it, love it. Front end is detailed with the grille and everything. Bumper, detailed designs, loving it, loving the spoiler. All that top is diecast except for that roof. That roof is plastic. Black interior, can you see the inside? This automatic transmission, 592 horsepower. Let's check out the back. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Sweet casting. All the wheels rolled well. Not independently, but they rolled well. Alright, let's set that one there. Let's go with the 2020 next. I already described the packaging, so don't need to do it again. Let's go. Oh, I love it when it does that. Alright, it's the 2020 version. Again, good spinning wheels, but they don't spin independently. It's almost like a Zamac finish, kind of. But it's a Metelflake silver. They didn't make any Walmart edition Zamacs. This time we got Trap 5 wheels, Trapezoid 5-spoke wheels in black, blacked out, pretty cool. Gas tank, everything. There's the detailed roof again. I'm gonna zoom in one more time. Look at that, front end detailed. Just some beautiful castings. Jaguar XE SV Project 8, that's a mouthful and a half, don't you think? Yeah, beauty. Loving the Jaguar symbol and the lights. And I think that's a license plate, and I'm pretty sure that's a symbol right there. Oh, forgot to show the bases. Yeah, they're all the same base, but you know, who knows? Colors might vary. These are all made in Malaysia with a 2018 copyright since the first edition came out in 2019. Alright. Next one is Rojo. We're going with red this time. Yeah, that's a clean enough open. Come on, come in. Again, great spinning wheels, but they don't spin independently. I love it when they spin independently. They will spin independently, but they just drag the other side wheel with them, and I don't really like that because that makes it wobble. I'm loving the red, though. They just get better and better as they get newer. Again, loving the details. They're all basically like factory fresh designs, but only one, the first one is made in the factory fresh series. You can see that detailed front end once again. Beautiful, 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 beautiful casting. Oh wow, you can definitely see it here, the silver logos, and it's kind of hard to see on the other version, the gray version. Here's the base, same color. Alright, we're going with black now. It's got to be my favorite one, the black one. That was the best open so far, too. Guess I had to get warmed up a little bit. Again, struck out on the wheels. They do spin well, I like that, but just waiting for them to spin independently someday. Still really liking it, and got a little bit of... I don't know what to call this. I don't know what's wrong with that roof there, but it's a little like... I don't know, it's kind of uneven. But loving the black. It's completely... Oh, it's completely blacked out. Yeah. Oh, not sure what's going on with that. It looks like... Uh-oh, it's looking like that windshield has a little problem there. Maybe it was like melted or something. We'll take a look at the front again. Again, very beautiful, but the details look kind of like burnt up. It's so weird. There is the back of this casting. Kind of hard to see. Again, loving the spoiler. Again, loving this detail. Just some beautiful castings we got. All with black plastic bases. We'll line them up by year. 2019, 2020, 2021s. And maybe I'll just hold them up. It won't be in order, but... Thanks for tuning in and watching me unbox these 4 Jaguar XE SV Project 8 Diecast Hot Wheels. Please subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.